34. So what is the given integral? Integral is integral I is equal to integral roots tan x. Root tan x by sin x into cos x into dx. Okay, this is a given integrand root tan x by sin x into cos x. So what is the function you want to consider as t, student? Generally, that we know that whatever within the square root, that we can take as t, am I right? But when we take the square root of tan x is equal to t, tan x derivative is secant square. Is there any secant square? Yes. Is there any secant square? No, we don't know. So for that, what I want to do here, I want to multiply and dividing with, look at here, multiply and dividing with cos x. Shall I write here cos x and into cos x, multiply and dividing with cos x? Can you able to hear me? Yes or
Yes,
no?
sir.
Yeah, right. So root tan x into, see, cos x into cos x, cos square x. That 1 by cos square x becomes secant square x. Clear? Secant square x. Otherwise, I may write one more step. You'll get complete idea. So by, see, sin by cos, again tan x into cos square x into dx. So this can be written as integral. See, students, 1 by cos square is secant square x. 1 by cos square by, see, root tan x by tan x becomes, shall I write root tan x in denominator into dx? Yes or no? Root x by x becomes 1 by root x. Like that. Here, let us take this is 1. Now I am going to apply the substitution method. The substitution method is, let you have to take a tan x is equal to t. Now when tan x is equal to t, then secant square x dx is equal to dt. See here, numerator becomes here, secant square x dx becomes dt here, and root tan x means tan x becomes t, dt by root t. So what is the formula for 1 by root x dx? Shall I write this is 2 into root t? Yeah, you can write directly, no problem. Okay, 2 into tan x. Once again, what I have done here, tan x we want to take as t. Tan x derivative is secant square. There is no secant square, so that in denominator I multiply and dividing with cos x. Cos x into cos x as cos square x. 1 by cos square x becomes secant square x. Here denominator becomes tan x. Root tan x by tan x becomes 1 by root tan x. So now you can take tan x as t or tan x as t square also. That's your wish. A square root is there, you can take as t square also. Both the cases will get the same answer. So I'm taking tan x as t, differentiating on both sides with respect to x. Secant square x dx is equal to dt. So numerator becomes directly dt, denominator is root t. Since we know that there is a formula for this 1 by square root of x dx becomes 2 root x plus c. With help of this formula, I have written root 2 t plus c. At last, I replace t value. Clear, students? Okay. This x plus log x you can take as t. You'll get the answer. Before that, you can do like this. One step alone. 1 x plus 1 by x is that. This I want to write x plus 1 by all divided by x into, x plus log x. Now, see here, I want to divide 1 plus 1 by x into x plus log x. Now this x plus log x you can take as t. When I take x plus log x as t, then x derivative is 1 by x into dx is equal to dt. So when I take integral here, integral dx. So this total value becomes dt. 1 plus 1 by x dx becomes dt. and x plus log x becomes t. Finally, the integral is t into dt. The answer is t square by 2 plus c. Okay, students, this is the answer. 1 minute, students. Srikam sir is calling. Yeah, is it clear, students?
Can you show the 34th sum, sir?
34th, yeah. Anna. Yeah, students. Today afternoon after lunch, 6th period, instead of physics, mathematics class. I'm going to take maths. Am I right? Everyone should remember. Clear, students? Okay. Okay, students, like x plus 1, like you can do this. This is the answer. Having any doubts in question number 34? Or any question in exercise 7? Okay. Having any doubts, Amaya, in this exercise? Any question? Yeah, the next concept is integration using trigonometric identities. Integration using trigonometric identities. Right? So when the integrand involves some trigonometric functions, I use some known identities to find the integral. Like if the integral is they given like sine x into cos x is there. For example, I want to find integral sine x into cos x, or integral sine 2x into sine 3x, or integral cos x cos 2x cos 3x, or integral sine cube x, or integral cos cube x. Okay, integral sine square x. Right, these kind of. So there is no formula for directly sine x into cos x. There is no standard integration formula for sine 2x into sine 3x and the product of the three different functions. We know just what is the integral of sine x, sine 2x, sine 3x, sine 4x, like that. We don't have any formula for sine product of any two different functions. Either you can apply maybe UV rule. Here we cannot apply UV rule also, because if you apply the UV rule, it will be extend till infinite. It is, we won't get answer. Integral cos x becomes sin x, sin becomes cos x, like that it will go on sometimes. Okay, so that in that case, how we will do? We can use the trigonometric identities. So I'm going to give some formulas. Everyone should remember. Based on that formulas, we can do next exercise 7.3. Clear, students? So trigonometric identities. Trigonometric identities. Fine. So right, we know that sine a plus b, sine a minus b. From that only we will write the trigonometric identities. And then the first one is like 2 sine a cos b. What is 2 sine a cos b formula? Yes, anyone? Yes, students. What is the formula for 2 sin A cos B? Yes.
Sin A plus B plus sin A minus.
Sin A plus B plus sine of A minus B. Am I right? This is sine of A plus B minus sine of very important formulas. And 2 cos A cos B, cos of A plus B minus cos of A minus B. Minus or plus here? Anyone? Is there minus or plus? It is plus.
Plus.
Okay, anyone? Till here it is okay. But this is important. Many of them they can confusing here to remember this. Anyone can say this formula? Yes, students?
Minus sin minus of
Ma
cos A plus cos minus cos A.
So it's better you can write absolutely right minus of cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. You can write it like this. Cos of A minus B minus cos of A plus B. So remember this. Clear? Trigonometric identities. So after this, you have to, and also you have to remember the formulas like sine 3x or sine 3 theta, cos 3x. These two are enough. Sine 3x is 3 sin x minus 4 sin cube x. 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. With help of this, what is sin cube x, students? Anyone? Sin cube x is equal to 1 by 4 times of 1 by 4 times of what? 3 sin x minus sin 3x. That's it. With help of this, cos cube x 1 by 4 times of same 3 cos x plus cos 3x. Right, students? These are the formulas because in the question if they ask integral sine cube, there is no formula for integral sine cube. There is no formula directly for integral cos cube. You have to convert like this, or else there is another method. You may do in this method, or else, and two methods are there. Two different answers means answer is same, but we are getting two different ways, right? I will explain you what are the different answers we are getting here. From one answer to we'll get other answer if you simplify. Okay, you have to remember this. And now, okay, this is enough. And mainly remember these first four, then after remaining these two. Even, for example, is there any formula for like integral sine square? No formula. There is no formula for integral sine square. There is no formula for integral cos square. For that, what shall we do? I'm going to write here those formulas also. Right. What is the formula for sine 2x? Right, not like that. I'll take cos 2x. Cos 2x. Cos 2x we can write in two ways. 1 minus 2 sine square x. 1 minus 2 sine square x, which implies what is sine square x? Sine square x is equal to 1 minus cos 2x whole divided by 2. That you can write 1 by 2. 1 by 2 times of 1 minus cos 2x. In the same way, cos 2x, again cos 2x is equal to 1 plus 2 cos square x minus 1, not 1 plus 2 cos square x minus 1. From this we can written as cos square x can be written as same 1 by 2 times of 1 plus cos 2x. And these two formulas are also very, very important, because the question they ask in different way. Four questions are very important. What are the four questions? One is integral sine square x dx. Next one is integral cos square x dx. Next integral sine cube x dx, and integral cos cube x dx. We don't have directly, so that what shall we do? This sine square you can, this sine square you have to replace. Yeah, sine square you can replace with 1 by 2 1 minus cos 2x. Cos square you can replace with 1 by 2 1 plus cos 2x. One integral we know very well, cos 2x also we know that. That is sine 2x by 2, cos 2x integral. In the same way, integral sine cube x, we don't know sine cube. Just you have to replace this value. Okay, 1 by 4, 3 sine x minus sine 3x. Sine x is cos, minus cos x. Sine 3x is minus cos 3x by 3. So these and all we know. But we cannot do directly. We can convert with help of these formulas. We can write in terms of cos 2x and sine 3x like that. Then after we'll do it. Remember these formulas, right? These are the main trigonometric identities which we can use to evaluate the given integral. Okay, let's see. 7.3.
Can you show the formula, sir?
Yeah.
Sir, can you scroll down, sir?
1 minute. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
They may ask these questions. These questions also important. Evaluate integral sine square x. Evaluate integral cos square x. Like that. Now, fine. The first question. See sine square. We don't know. Sine cube. We don't know. A product of two different functions. Product of three different functions. Okay. Like here we can use some trigonometric identities. Here we can use identity like first before that this question number 2, multiply and dividing with 2. It is in the form of 2 sin a cos b. I have written already formula. Here also multiply and dividing with 2. Here 2 sin a sin b is there. 2 sin a sin b. I have written already formula. Here also first I want to multiply with dividing with 2. 2 cos a cos b formula. Here I want to multiply and dividing with 2. If it consider only two values, it is in the form of 2 sin a sin b. After that multiply with sin 3x. Like that will do. Here in these questions, sin c minus sin cos c minus cos d. This is we can do in different way. Okay. Right, friends. First one. Sin square 2x plus 5. Sin square. Okay, fine. If you're not remember those formulas, it is difficult again. I is equal to integral sine square 2x plus 5. I'm going to write all the steps properly for this question. Concentrate. See, first one, substitution method. Okay, substitution method. Let us take this 2x plus 5 is equal to some other variable t. Now differentiate on both sides. Differentiate on both sides. 2 into x derivative is 1 plus 5 is a constant, it is 0 into dx is equal to dt. Finally, dx is equal to dt by 2. Is it clear, students? Because in equation 1 we are having dx is there. Dx value is dt by 2 and this 2x plus 5 value is t. Okay, substitute all the values in equation 1. I is equal to integral sine square t into dt by 2. Okay, fine. This is equal to 1 by 2 times of integral sine square t into dt. Yeah, it's, this is, let us take this as equation 2. Is it a standard form? Is there any formula for integral sine square? No, there is no formula for sine square. So what shall we do here? Simple. This that just now I already written the formula sine square x. What is the sine square x formula? Sine square x here. Sine square x is 1 by 2 1 minus cos 2x. In the same way, sine square t becomes 1 by 2 times of 1 minus cos 2t. So since I am writing the formula here, sine square x can be written as 1 by 2 times of 1 minus cos 2x. So with the help of that, I can be written as 1 by 2 sine square becomes already 1 by 2 is there, again 1 by 2 times of 1 minus cos 2t into dt. 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, it is clearly 1 by 4 times of. Now I'm going to apply the integral separately, integral 1 dt minus integral cos 2t dt, right? Now 1 by 4, what is integral 1? Integral 1 get cancelled. Now it is t minus cos 2t. Directly formula it is sine 2t plus sine 2t. It is because it is integration. Differentiation minus cos 2t. But see here, what is the coefficient of t, student? What is the coefficient of t? 2. 2, where should I write? Into or?
Denominator.
Yes, it is in denominator. Now, plus, see, I applied here, we don't have an integral symbol. Yes or no? We don't have any integral symbol, so that you can take as c. In previous step, we are having an integral symbol, so that you should not write c, simply here plus c. So this is the answer. But the question in terms of x, answer also in terms of x we require. So t nothing but what is t? T is 2x plus 5. 2x plus 5 minus sine of sine 2 times of 2x plus 5 all divided by 2, right? Plus c. This is the answer. Even if you want to multiply, you can multiply here. Okay, what is the book? So this is right. Okay, you may stop here. You may multiply with 1 by 4. So both will be correct. You may multiply with this 2 here. 2 2s are 4 and 2 5s are 10. Clear, students? So what I have done here, sine square is a first I have taken 2x plus 5 as t, then differentiated dx is equal to dt by 2. I substituted all values in equation 1, so it becomes sine square t into dt by 2. 1 by 2 is a constant, take it outside, sine square t we got. Since we know that sine square x is 1 by 2 times of 1 minus cos 2x, I replaced here. And 1 by 2 I'm taking outside, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by 4. I have taken integration separately, 1 dt and minus cos 2t dt, right? So at last I replaced t values. I integrate and I replace t value. This is the answer, right? Next one. Question number 2. So whenever this kind of question, see students, I'm going to tell you one method. You know, sometimes you might be confused to take negative sign outside. Okay. So 3x is least value or 4x is least value? Yes.
X.
Yeah, 3x. So first you should take highest value, like cos 4x into sin 3x you can write here also. First you can write cos 6x, cos 4x, cos 2x. Here also you can write descending order, sin 3x into sin 2x into, while doing here also sin 8x into sin 4x, like that you can take. It becomes easy. You may take directly sin 3x into cos 4x also, but sometimes like we are going to get sine of negative values, sine of minus theta, right? Okay, that time sin f minus theta again minus sin theta. But instead of that, if you take according to the order, okay, then we'll get direct. The second one is, let us take given function as f of x cos 4x into sin 3x. Okay, now integral I is equal to integral of f of x dx. If you want to write more number of steps, you can take like this. Let us consider given function as f of x. I is equal to integral of f of x, nothing but sine, sorry, not sine, it is cos 4x. Cos 4x into sine 3x into dx. Multiply and dividing with 2. Why? Why we want to multiply and dividing with 2, students? Yes? Because I have given formulas. Now it is in the form of, whatever this is in the form of 2 cos A sin B. Am I right? What is the formula for 2 cos A sin B? Yes. Yes, twins. Two cos A sin B. Sin A plus B minus sin of A minus B. All of you do it fast. With help of this, yeah. Getting cold. Right. It is in the form of 2 cos A cos B. Simple. I is equal to 1 by 2 times of integral. What is the formula? Ma? This is A, this is B. 2 cos A sin B becomes sine of, formula is what, students? 2 cos A sin B becomes sine of A plus B minus sine of A minus B. Remember, with help of this, it can be written as sine of 4x plus 3x minus sine of 4x minus 3x into dx. 1 by 2 times of integral. This is sine 7x dx minus integral sine x dx. Sine 7x is what, students? Integral of sine 7x. Firstly,
Cos 7x please.
minus cos. Derivative of sine is positive, but integral of sine is negative. Minus cos x. Here x coefficient is 1 only, no need to write by. Plus, now we don't have an integral symbol, so that you can add ones. So finally here 1 by 2 is common. So 1 by 2 times of cos x minus cos 7x by 7 plus c. This is the answer. So what I have done in this case, I used the trigonometry identity. So given function is cos 4x sin 3x, I have written in descending order. Okay, 4x, 3x like that. After that, I multiply and dividing with 2. You must be 2. Okay. When I multiply and dividing with 2, it is in the form of 2 cos A sin B, sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. So I substituted here A plus B, A minus B, then sin 7x minus sin x, sin 7x is minus cos x by 7. Sin x will be minus cos x. Right? This is the answer. Having any doubts, you can ask. Yeah. Next question. Next question also. See here, write in. You should write in descending order. So here the question number 3 is I is
Sir, it has
equal,
got it. Look, sir.
cos 6x cos, it's better to take here because 6 plus 4 becomes 10. 6 minus 4 becomes 2. Okay, no problem. You may take cos 6x, cos 2x at one place, cos 4x. Otherwise, you can do like the as it is, no problem. Is it clear, students? Above one? So clearly, I posted whether you're observing or not. I posted your recorded videos as well as class notes also. Am I right, students? NCRT notes, NCRT note till I think so, integration. Notes 1, integration notes 2, and even this is common NCRT videos. I already posted first and second, and OBT videos also I posted, and the OBT notes also I given separately. These are the OBT notes, OBT videos. Just I have taken only one class which is regarding to maxima minima. I need to complete it. Okay, I already completed tangent to normal. Right. Okay, right. Have written in order. Now again here I want to multiply and dividing with 2. When I multiply dividing with 2, it is in the form of 2 cos A cos B. This is A, this is B. A, B. Right? So what is 2 cos A cos B formula? 2 cos A cos B formula is cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. Remember, students, with help of this, I is equal to 1 by 2 times of integral. This is clearly cos of A plus B, 6x plus 4x, plus cos of A minus B, 6x minus 4x, into cos of 2x into dx. Integral of cos of 10x plus cos of 2x into cos 2x. Is it clear till now? So multiply with cos 2x again. 1 by 2 times of integral cos 10x cos 2x plus cos square 2x into dx. See, students, it's better you can write it separately. 1 by 2 times of integral of cos 10x into cos 2x into dx plus integral cos square 2x into dx. Close the bracket. Now, what shall we do here? Again, product of two different function. Again, you can multiply and dividing with 2. Then it is becomes 2 cos A cos B. But here, it is directly in the form of cos square x. But in place of x here, we are having 2x. Okay. Since we know that, I am going to write the formulas also, students. Okay. Since 2 cos A cos B, already we written cos of A plus B plus cos of A minus B. Comma, here cos square x formula is 1 plus cos 2x by 2. But this is cos square x, but here we are having 2x. Replace x by 2x. So that when I take here 2, here it will becomes 4. When it is 2, it becomes 4. 1 plus cos 4x by 2. So now this is equal to 1 by 2 times of again 1 by 2 of integral cos 10x plus 2x plus cos 10x minus 2x into dx. This is about first integral. Second integral is integral 1 by 2 times of 1 plus cos 4x 4x into dx. 4x into dx. This is. Is it clear, student? Twice I applied that cos 2 cos a cos b formula. So after this, you can 1 by 2 is common in both the integral 1 by 2. Here 1 by 2 again take it outside, completely outside. So already outside 1 by 2 is there, again 1 by 2. So bracket integral of this is cos 12x plus cos 8x into dx. Here it is integral 1 into dx remaining plus integral cos 4x into dx. Clear, students, or any doubts? Having any doubts here? Yes, students.
No, sir.
Right, now you can write it 1 by 4 times of cos 12x is sine plus sine 12x by 12. I told you very clearly the coefficient you should write in denominator. This 8 you can write in denominator, right? So plus sine 8x by 8 plus 1 becomes x. 1 becomes x. Cos 4x again sine 4x by 4 plus c. So this is the required answer, or else you may take LCM. What is the LCM for this? 12, 8, 4. 24. What is the LCM? I think so 24. 24 is LCM. Then 2 sine 12x plus 3 sine 8x plus 6 sine 4x plus 24x plus c. So once you can check that book back answer. I don't know what is the book back they have given. Is it right answer? Once check it out. 2 sine 12x. Yeah, if you want, you can note it down. In the same way, you can do that another. First, what I have done, I have written in ascending order. So after that, I multiplied and dividing with 2. It is in the form of 2 cos a cos b, cos a plus b plus cos a minus b into cos 2x. So cos 10x plus cos 2x into cos 2x. I multiplied with cos 2x. It becomes cos square 2x. First one is cos 10x into cos 2x. Again, I have written integral separately. After writing separately, again I multiply and dividing with the 2. Multiply and dividing with the 2. So here 2 cos a cos b form again I apply. And second one, here it is carefully have to write here cos square 2x is there. Cos square x is 1 plus cos 2x all divided by, but cos square 2x becomes 1 plus cos 4x. If it is cos square 3x becomes here cos 6. You can multiply with 2. That's it. Cos square 100x becomes cos 200. Like 1 plus cos 200x by 2 like that. So after that, just simplified, I apply the formulas. We got like this. Okay. So student, you have to do this question number 6. This as homework. And question number 7. This as homework. Okay. And remaining and all, I'll do it. And yeah, the thing is, for example, this kind of questions, it is easy alone. Sine power 4, your cos power 4, tan power 4. Look at it. Sine power 4, 1 minute, just a minute. In 1 minute, I can explain you this. Sine power 4 is there. Sine power 4 dx. Sine power 4 can be written as sine square into sine square. Am I right? Sine square into sine square. Shall I write one of the sine square is 1 minus cos square? Otherwise, this is one way. In another way, what I want to do, you do one thing. Instead of this is a lengthy question, actually not easy. Sin square, sin square. What is sin square? A sin square is 1 minus cos 2x by 2, 1 minus cos 2x by 2. Like that, you have to multiply these two and simplify. Okay, ma, this I can explain because we don't have time. Okay, students, we'll wind up the class. Sixth period is maths.